The Gerber Principal Fixed Blade Knife is a reliable and versatile survival knife designed for outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers. Built with a full-tang stainless steel blade, this knife ensures strength and durability for various tasks, including carving, slicing, and batoning. Its sharp edge and compact design make it an essential tool for camping, hiking, and other outdoor activities. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable, secure grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. One standout feature is its multi-mount sheath system, which allows for flexible carrying options, including horizontal, vertical, or scout carry, making it easy to adapt to your preferences. Whether you're navigating the wilderness, tackling survival challenges, or performing everyday tasks, the Gerber Principal Fixed Blade Knife is built to deliver reliability and performance, making it a must-have for anyone who values quality and functionality in their gear. Introducing the Victorinox Venture Pro, a rugged, versatile fixed blade designed for the outdoors. The knife features a durable satin drop-point blade made from Sandvik 1-4C218 steel, providing exceptional edge retention and corrosion resistance. With a thickness of 0.13 inches, this blade is built to handle tough cutting tasks while maintaining sharpness. The Venture Pro's non-slip polymer handle offers a secure grip, even in wet conditions, with a bow drill divot for fire-starting convenience. It's designed to be both functional and ergonomic, ensuring comfort during extended use. The full carry sheath system includes a pressurized ballpoint pen, tweezers, and a fire starter, all integrated into the sheath for quick and easy access. Perfect for bushcraft, camping, and survival, the Victorinox Venture Pro is a reliable tool for explorers looking to push boundaries. Whether you're processing wood, starting fires, or navigating rugged terrain, this knife keeps essential tools within arm's reach for any outdoor adventure. The 162 Bushcrafter, and is set to enhance your bushcraft experience. At 9.04 inches long, with a robust 0.16-inch CPM Cruwear steel blade, it excels at every outdoor task. Whether you're splitting logs or preparing fine tinder, the ultra-sharp factory edge handles tough materials with ease. The nearly 1-inch thick handle, featuring carbon fiber scales over red G10 liners, offers an ergonomic grip perfect for rigorous use. Plus, the Kydex sheath includes a ferro rod holder and a secure locking mechanism, ensuring your knife remains safe during your adventures. While it comes with a premium price tag, the Benchmade Bushcrafter 163BK is a worthy investment, built in America with meticulous attention to detail. For those who seek the best, this knife is a must-have companion for any outdoor endeavor. The CRKT Bugsy is a rugged and reliable bushcraft knife designed for serious outdoor survivalists. Crafted in collaboration with RMJ Tactical, this full-tang fixed blade knife boasts a 3.78-inch drop-point blade made from 1095 carbon steel, ensuring excellent edge retention and durability. The black stonewash finish enhances corrosion resistance while maintaining a tactical look. The ergonomic G10 handle scales provide a firm grip in all weather conditions, making it ideal for whittling, batoning, and food prep in the wild. With its scanty grind, the Bugsy excels at precision tasks while still being tough enough for demanding bushcraft duties. It comes with a durable sheath that allows for secure and convenient carry, ensuring it's always ready for action. Whether you're an experienced survivalist or a weekend camper, the CRKT Bugsy is a dependable tool that will handle the toughest outdoor challenges with ease. Meet the Zero Tolerance 0006, a blade built for those who demand the best. This American-made fixed blade is a beast, boasting a 10.7-inch overall length with a 6-inch CPM 3-volt super steel blade. Whether you're tackling hard-to-use tasks in the wild or need a reliable combat or survival knife, this is your go-to. With a beefy 0.19-inch thickness, the full tang construction ensures unmatched durability and strength. The 006 merges elements of survival, combat, and bushcraft knives into one mighty tool. Its razor-sharp full-flat grind blade excels in wood processing, whether whittling or feather sticking. The textured G10 handle provides a secure grip, even with gloves on, and deep notches along the spine give extra control for tougher jobs. The custom KYDEX sheath enhances functionality with multiple carry options to suit your needs. Tough, versatile, and premium, the Zero Tolerance 0006 is ready for any adventure, big or small. The Lion Steel M4 is a premium bushcraft knife built for outdoor enthusiasts who demand durability and precision. Featuring a 3.74-inch M390 sintered steel, this full tang knife offers exceptional edge retention and toughness, making it perfect for wood carving, food prep, and survival tasks. The satin finish adds corrosion resistance, ensuring it withstands harsh environments. Its ergonomic handle, available in natural wood, G10, or micarta, provides a comfortable and secure grip for extended use. The well-balanced design makes it easy to control, whether you're crafting shelter or processing firewood. Included with the M4 is a high-quality leather sheath, allowing for safe and convenient belt carry. Whether you're deep in the wilderness or at a campsite, the Lion Steel M4 is a reliable companion built to handle any bushcraft challenge with ease. Crafted in Italy, it delivers a perfect blend of style, performance, and durability. The Schrade Frontier SCHF52 is a rugged, full-tang survival knife built for extreme outdoor conditions. Featuring a 7-inch 1095 high-carbon steel blade, this knife is designed for heavy-duty tasks like batoning, chopping, and bushcraft work. The black powder-coated finish adds corrosion resistance, ensuring durability even in harsh environments. Its TPE rubber handle provides a firm, slip-resistant grip, making it comfortable and secure in wet or muddy conditions. The ergonomic design enhances control, making it ideal for precision work like feathering wood or skinning game. The SCHF52 comes with a durable polyester sheath, offering multiple carrying options for easy access. It also includes a ferro rod and sharpening stone, making it a complete survival tool set. Whether you're in the wilderness or prepping for emergencies, the Schrade Frontier SCHF52 delivers reliability, toughness, and versatility, making it an essential companion for survivalists and outdoor adventurers alike. The ESCE Camplor RB3 is a premium bushcraft knife designed for serious outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists. It features a 3.5-inch Scandiground 1095 high-carbon steel blade, making it razor-sharp and perfect for wood carving, fire prep, and other bushcraft tasks. The Scandi grind ensures excellent edge retention and easy sharpening in the field. The micarta handle offers a secure and comfortable grip, even in wet or cold conditions. Its ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue during prolonged use, making it a reliable companion for camping, hunting, and survival situations. The RB3 comes with a high-quality leather sheath, allowing for easy and secure belt carry. This knife is built for rugged durability and is trusted by survival experts worldwide. Whether you're carving notches for traps or processing firewood, The ESE Camplor RB3 is a dependable tool that excels in both performance and craftsmanship, making it a must-have for bushcraft enthusiasts. The Unported Bushcraft Black Blade is a rugged and reliable bushcraft knife built for tough outdoor tasks. Featuring a 4.3-inch carbon steel blade with a black anti-corrosive coating, this knife is designed to handle everything from betoning wood to precision carving. The Scandi grind ensures excellent sharpness and easy maintenance, making it a go-to choice for bushcrafters and survivalists. The rubberized handle provides a firm, non-slip grip, offering superior control even in wet or cold conditions. Its ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue, making it ideal for extended use in the wilderness. This knife comes with a durable polymer sheath that includes a built-in belt clip for easy carry. Additionally, the spine of the blade is designed to be used with a ferro rod, making fire starting effortless. For those seeking a tough, versatile, and highly functional bushcraft knife, the Unported Bushcraft Black Blade is a trusted choice for serious adventurers.